Okay, so I've got a power window relay out of a 64 Cadillac, and it was not working, so they're often pretty easy to clean, and I thought I'd just do a little video. Um, Relays are pretty simple. It's a small current circuit that controls a large current circuit, and it uses the electromagnetic principle to close a circuit. So it's usually easy to figure out what the control circuit is. You need to look at both ends of the coil wire. So on this one, you have a small wire here that's going to touch the case. Once I press the case on, it's going to touch the outer case, and that's going to be the ground. And then you can look to see where the other wire connects. And you can see right here, it's going to connect to this contact right here. So I've already cleaned this one. It's working now again. So they're pretty easy to test. So what we'll do is we will put 12-volt current across the coil circuit, the low current circuit, and we will touch the wire off the coil that's going to touch the outer casing, and you can see it close the circuit. So pretty cool stuff, and usually easy to clean. This one, the contact had a lot of corrosion, so I took some 400 grit and just did a light sanding across the coil there. On the top it had some dirt, and so I blew that out. And so again, if we just look at it real close, you can see how that creates a magnet on the top that pulls this top down, that closes this contact, and that's how it works. And then this low current circuit will control the large current circuit, which in this case is the window circuit, the raise and lower the windows, and your contacts would go across there. So once this low circuit sends 12 volts, this circuit, the high current circuit, is going to close, and that's all there is to it. And this case had a lot of crud, so I'll clean the case up and make sure that it contacts good the wire, and that's all there is to it. And if you pop one open, and unless you see it looks really bad, you just get some, a little bit of crud on the contact and stuff, often you can fix it. And that's what I did with this one. Okay, so we've checked the inside relay, and we've got the contacts cleaned, and it's working and tested. So the second part is to reinstall the case. I've cleaned it up, get everything nice, the contacts are good, the casing is nice, and so we're going to put 12 volts across the low current control circuit, and we know that this is the contact, so we should hear a little clicking sound. So that is the electromagnet pulling the metal contacts together, and you hear the clicking sound. And that low current circuit closes the high current circuit, and then allowing the windows to work. So the final step is do a continuity test. So I just have a basic multi-tester, bench tester. I've got it set for continuity, and like most, you should hear a little buzzer sound. We'll test that. So I'll disconnect the control contact. We'll put the continuity leads on, and we will attach power, and voila, relay works. Power windows will now work. That's it. That's all you have to do.